Good morning, guys! Morning ba? Afternoon na yata. Let's see. Nalito na tayo sa time. Afternoon na pala. So, off. Cooking air-fried chicken. We're gonna fry kikiam and some fish cakes. Snack lang. Then we're gonna drop off the kids to the Bible school. Later tonight, may activity sila for 5 days. So, ihahatid natin sila. And then, siguro, me and hubby will eat somewhere while waiting for them. He's going to Bible school later. You excited to see your friends again?
Wait, is Kaden gonna be there this time?
That I don't know.
And the kitchen and the eggs and the juice from the kitchen place gonna come out of Wednesday?
Maybe. So, we'll see. We're bringing kiddos to Bible school. We are the drivers and the drop-off pickup group today. So, we're just gonna drop you up and pick you up. Yeah. Alright. Going to Vallejo for the kiddos Bible school. We're on top of the bridge. Hindi masyadong kita. Venetia Bridge. Hindi nga masyadong kita eh. Ay, ito maganda.
Oh, kita natin yung landmark.
In half a mile, use the left two lanes to take exit 58A of the I-780 toward Venetia, Vallejo.
Venetia ba? Vallejo. Aray ko.
I got you.
We're here. We're here. Where are you guys going in? Which door? Kiss mommy first, Zane. Kiss mommy first. Don't get it. Oh. Oh, sige. Outside first.
Don't say that.
Yeah?
Alright, remember when we go inside. Alright, a few more minutes, guys. File line, follow your occupancy. Single file line. Good job, everybody. Single file line. I'll see you in there, okay? Let's go. Let's go. There you go.
See you later.
Awesome. Single file line.
So, drop off the kids. This is a good practice for Zane for going to school. So, we're now going to eat. Habang hinihintay ang mga bagets, mag-quick dinner date muna kami. Korean. So, dito na kami sa Daikon. So, ito yung menu nila. So, Supreme All You Can Eat, $37.99. You get the whole menu. Sushi, now included with Supreme. Yep. Kakanood ng Korean series. Effect ng Korean series, kumain ng Korean barbecue all the time. Ready. Thank you. Rice. Sarap yan sa meat. This one is macaroni salad. Thank you. Kain tayo ng Regal broccoli. Broccoli na may Japanese sauce. Magpanggap muna tayo sa gulay. Ang sarap ng ano.
Yeah.
Sabi. Seafood. Pepperpin carpaccio. This one is marinated rib eye. Yung farm mussel. O, diba? Let's get started. Let's start with the mussel. Let's put that in there. Busog na tayo, guys! Pinaghatid nyo kami, di magde-date kami. Tagalin na natin eh. Pull out na natin yung meat para malunis. Dapat ng Korean tiro. Ito yung ano, beef finger. Wow. Mussel, pepper fin, carpaccio. Mahang kaya to? Mahang kaya to?
Maybe.
Subukan natin mapahamak ng mapapakapak. What's in your mouth? Stop. Maang. Maanghang. Ang anghang nito. Jalapeno.
Siyempre, alapin niya. Di, wag ko lang kainin. Huwag ko lang kainin yung alapin niya. Ang lambot.
Oh. Nice. Thank you. Thank you.
Ano to, Dad? In-order mo?
Hindi.
Sa atin ba yan?
Soup. Oh, shrimp. The garlic shrimp. Ang in-order ko kanina. In-order ko to. Look at that. Tignan. Nasa akin pa yung anghang. Pero subukan muna natin yung calamari. Let's squeeze some lemon here. And,
This is calamari. Akala ko si Charon.
hindi. Squid, ano. Some try calamari. Sarap. Yeah. Try. What mo man? Una ko ng bird na. Kumulo ka lang ng kumulo dyan. Hindi malakas yung side na to.
Ito lang.
Seafood jjigae. This one is a seafood jjigae. So, may fish and shrimp. So, let's try. Kakain ko lang ng jalapeno kaya sigurado mas mahang. Paso ako.
Okay.
One thing that I like sa mga Japanese and Korean barbecue, freshly cooked ikakainin mo. Masarap.
Kaya
Ang sabi mo?
nagbabayad ka ako. Ikaw ba magluluto?
Calamari, calamari. Lang pero masarap.
Yung
Pepper pin carpaccio. Mm. Cup. Look at that. Freshly cooked. Ito yung rib eye marinated.
lambot.
Oh my god. Wow. Now let's try the beef. Ano yan?
Calamari.
Calamari.
Ang lambot. Ito, baka maubasok na ito, no? Yeah, sabi ko na.
Mm-hmm. This one is the beef finger. Walang sauce. Try it with rice wrapper. Let's try it with the rice wrapper. Hindi. Try ko muna ng wala. Oh my god.
Would you like to order some more meat or sushi?
Yeah, you want to sausage ako?
With meat only. Ang sarap. Sobrang lambot nitong beef na lo. I swear. Now, I'm gonna put it with the rice wrapper. Hindi ko alam po tamang ginagawa ko. Better with put it on the lettuce wrap. Ha? Sabi tayo. Lettuce wrap. Ito. Walang sauce, walang kahit sa ano. Just, just this. That's it. Wasak-wasak na yung ano. Ano ba nangyari? Okay. Humihiwala yung meat right away. Then we got pork joe. In short, pork chips.
Ano, dyan mo pa mo. Taba ah. Dapat to. Ito pa na ay wala.
Yung mussel hindi pa namin kinakain, making sure na fully cook siya kasi seashell yan eh. Hamachi carpaccio. Hamachi, if I'm not mistaken, is a tuna tail. Ito yung parang isa sa pinaka-best part ng tuna tail. So, yeah. Mas gusto ko yung pepper pit. Mas masarap yung pepper pit. Ito na. Tanggalin na natin siya sa shell. Okay. Tanggalin na natin. Asan yung lagayan natin ng ating mga... Dito na lang. No, dito. Yan. Tanggalin na natin sa shell. Pati yung sa'yo asawa ko, tanggalin na sa shell. Yan. Ano? Ano na? Tanggalin na sa shell. Para mawala. So, mussel is the next thing. Trying it without sauce. Okay lang. Okay lang.
Sabi.
Ha?
Sabi.
Radish?
Ito.
Oh.
Bakit tawag mo?
Ito naman, pickled radish. Pang-cleanse ng palate. Tunog na. Wala na yun. Ay, hindi. Ano? Sibuyas. This time, I am gonna be trying the pork jowl or beef, pork chick pala. So, pork jowl, big pork cheek.
You want to keep the onion?
No. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Hot. Suka. Suka katapat na to. Yung ano, yung pork chick. Malapit na akong mabusog. Pero sarap. Ito, chubby cattle. Price ito.
May guide from sa Concord, wala.
Wala. Ang chubby cattle kasi ang pinakamura nila 70 plus. Ito, dalawa na kami dun. Plus drinks. Pero quality ng meat, syempre, iba yun. Pero masarap. This is, tawag nito sawa ko, worth it sa price. Kasi, magkano ang isang order na yun ng food? Pag umorder ka ng mag-isang food, ng isang meal lang siguro, kahit yung mga, yung a la carte, kahit sabihin mo yung mga bento box ng Japanese restaurant, mga nasa $25 average na yun. Plus drink. Yeah, worth it. Sabi ko lang malapit na akong mabusog. More. Okay.
Ano din?
Kasi, napipilitan kang ubusin ng biglaan yung isang klase ng meat. Paggawin natin siya, ilang piraso muna. Ang tayong plan. May subo. Okay, now, we'll try the boneless
Kasi sa kape sa
short rib. Ay, hindi. Ito yung brisket pa pala. Hintay ako na hintay sa corn. Niluto na pala nila. Wow. Wow. So cheesy crust. Tay ko yung yung naka-foil, tapos inuluto mo siya, kaya
Isa may mic mo lang.
wala. So, try natin yung chicken. Hop. Ang tampil. Kailan sugat? Corn. Corn again. Trap. Suko na. I'm so busog. We are done. Maglakad-lakad lang ng konti sa favorite store. Marshalls. So, tapos na kami. Wala. Daming dapat ireklamo.
Reklamo ko to. Masyado silang magaling mag-serve. Mabilis.
Ang dami nilang mag-serve. Tapos, lagi sila nagpa-follow up kung may order na kami.
Ayaw ko to i-recommend. Masyado silang magaling. Masikaso sila.
Masyado silang mabait.
Masikaso sila masyado.
Tsaka lagi silang nakangiti. Hindi pwede yung ganun. Nabaliw na kami mag-asawa sa karne. Yung asawa ko kasi sabi niya, ano ba naman yan? Ang bilis-bilis nila mag-serve. Ang dami-dami. Madami ba?
Madami. Sobra, ang bilis nila mag-serve.
Ayaw nila tumigil.
Oo. Dati napusubot siyang ko.
Tapos, lagi pa nilang pinapalitan yung grill.
Oh, ayaw nila wala. Masyado silang kwan. Ay, ano gito?
camera nga hindi nabibigyan ng justice yung view eh. Ang ganda. Vallejo at 8:27 p.m. Walang masyadong car.
We have a ghost town. Anytime there's
O baka natsambahan lang namin, we don't know. Pero grabe, walang masyadong car, walang masyadong...
At the next stop sign, take a slight right.
Okay, so you guys are... You're wet? Okay, I have an extra shirt for you. Okay. Hi.
Oh,
It's... You had fun?
Yeah.
Nice. Alrighty. Oh, you say bye-bye, guys.
Bye.
Hindi na naman makita yung justice ng buwan.
In 2 miles, use the left 2 lanes to take.
Parang tutok na zoom mo.
Kaya nga eh. Buwan ang likod. Ay, na nakakahilo. Malikot eh.
I'm the best at pooping.
In the bridge, wow!
Wala, hindi nakikita.
It has a face.